how to pick the right artist for your next tattoo. First up, when you want to get a new tattoo, is to figure out what kind of tattoo are you looking for. Do some research and figure out, are you into traditional, neo-traditional, realism, color? What are you looking for? I create a board on Pinterest, or I create a folder on my computer, and I start gathering stuff I like. Then I start narrowing it down and I figure out, okay, I'm looking for this kind of tattoo. So once you settle on a specific style of your tattoo, the research starts in terms of finding the right artist. When I look for an artist, I always look through the artist's portfolio. I use Instagram a lot. I also use Pinterest. I use Tattoo. I use all kind of platforms where I can see work from a lot of artists. I don't necessarily limit to look for artists just around where I live, because a tattoo is a permanent decision, and I think it matters to find the right artist for your next tattoo. Once you've figured out, okay, we have these 5 individual artists that are capable of doing the tattoo I want, then it's a matter of figuring out availability, pricing, are they interested in doing the project, and so on. The next step is to get in touch with the artist. If it's someone living far away from where you are, you can reach out on Instagram or on email or call them or whatever. I would like to say that most popular and very well booked artists, they do have waiting lists and waiting time, and even though you want to get in touch with them right away, it's important to remember that most of the time they are busy, they are working every day, and you can therefore expect some response time. With that being said, if the artist you're looking for doesn't have a long wait list, it's not necessarily anything bad. I also know a lot of cool artists and very good artists that don't want to have long waiting lists, because they want to be flexible and they want to be able to take cool projects in, go travel and enjoy their life. But when you reach out, do remember that it can take some time before they get back. I would say don't stress from this moment where you figured out, I want a panther tattooed on my leg, over to the process of sitting down and getting it done, because stress in this setup is causing some very bad decisions sometimes. Stress in this situation can cause bad decision and can cause you ending up with an artist you didn't want to end up with. Once you talk to your artist, it's very important that you are well prepared, have some reference images ready, show what you like in terms of style. Be clear about placement, be clear about your budget, be clear about size of your tattoo. Basically, be clear about as much as you can, because then it's easier for the artist to say yes or no and take you in and do the tattoo you dreamed of. It's also very important that when you're talking to the artist or a manager or a booker or whoever you talk to about your next tattoo, that you remember it's okay to ask 1,000 questions too many rather than one too little. Because if you forget to ask a crucial question, it can end up with you getting a tattoo that has an element or has some details that you didn't want. So it's very important that you ask and that you feel safe when you walk into the studio and when you sit down in the chair to get your tattoo. If you are near the tattoo shop where the artist you want to get tattooed by is working, I would always recommend to go see the place. Is it clean? Is the staff friendly? Does it meet your expectations in terms of hygiene, in terms of environment, pretty much everything? And if it feels right and your artist feels right for the job and he or she thinks it's a cool project as well, I think that's the best indicator for getting through a tattoo session and getting out with a tattoo that you like and having a good experience. If you, for obvious reasons, because you're new in the game, cannot see whether this piece of work is good or this is better or this is bad because of maybe it's your first tattoo, then I always recommend talking to people that you know that has tattoos and that are happy about them and that has put a lot of effort into researching and finding the right artist. I personally, my first tattoo is horrible. I loved it, but now when I see it, it's still horrible. But I couldn't see it back then because I didn't know better. But if I have had a friend like me, then I wouldn't have gotten that tattoo. I would have gone to a better artist and I would have gotten a better placement and a better end result on my tattoo. That's it. Thank you for watching. If you have a friend, like I have many, that is, I don't know what to do. I want to get a tattoo, but I don't know exactly what I want or who that should be doing it. Share this video with them, subscribe, leave a comment below, like it, do your thing, and then see you next time.